Hello everyone, we are pleased to introduce the MCMC framework to you. This video shows a quick start demo. We will introduce every single module in the next videos. Then, let's start it. First, let's set up the monitors. Those monitors will help us to monitor the optimization process. Enter the play mode, select the optimizer game object, and click the green button to start optimization. In this example, we are trying to solve the three makeup goals. The goals definitions are shown in the left bottom corner. You can see the cost curves and other cost-related information in the monitor windows. As we can see, the solution is optimizing. You can replay the sampled solutions via the recorder module, as well as replay the whole optimization process. The recorder module also can generate all the running courses into a CSV file. Then you can use Python to generate nice figures. In the editor mode, you can even load the optimal solution into a scene if you are working on the game level design. This will provide you a good starting point to work on it. There are other examples you can play around with to see how to use the MCMC framework to solve the different problems. This is a quick review of the MCMC framework. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.